How can just friends can contact you directly in Snapchat? Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snapchat. Then when your Snapchat is opening, you go here and open your profile. Then you go to settings and click to open it. Then you go down to privacy control and you go to contact me, and then you will choose here who can contact you directly. And you want just friends, you will just change it to friends like that, and then click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.